Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments and everything you've been leaving. Today, Mr. Bell will be doing something different. You can do it in the Power XL, you can do it in the oven. You can do it how you want to do it. But today, I'm doing something different. You know how we like to get our kids to eat vegetables and everything. So today what I'm going to be making a sweet carrot pie. It's almost just like a sweet potato pie and everything, but your kids will be eating vegetables. Today I'll be using these nice big carrots right here. I'm going to clean them up and everything and boil them on the stove. And this is my ingredients: carrots, flour, brown sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, a little baking powder, and I'll be using some eggs and a little milk. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this started a little bit right now. Okay, as you see, I already grated some and everything, so I'm going to just take it and just scrape it just like this. See how easy that is? Grated nice and good. As you see, I'm going to cut it. Put it in the pot. Now we're going to put these on the stove and get them nice and started. Okay, as you see, they cooking nice and good and everything. Stick my fork in them. Pick them up. They're coming out nice and good. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer before I start smashing them up. Nice and good. Okay, mashing it up, I'm gonna put it in the pan. As you see, that's coming out nice and good. Look at that. That's beautiful. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in the oven right quick. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. And I'm going to push that in. And I got my oven set for 375. As you see, they coming out real nice and good and everything. Yeah, we're gonna love this. Okay, this right here are your sweet carrot pies. I made 2 of them and everything. We'll take a taste of it right now, but they're very hot. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you. Mr. Bell got a lot of videos out there, so just scroll through and look at them.